Welcome to Terra Naturals. Today in this video, let us explore the making of Hibiscus Clarifying Face Gel. This lightweight gel formulation absorbs easily and making it suitable for various skin types. This gel is suitable for both morning and evening routines. It's a part of skincare regimen including cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Natural acids in hibiscus help to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Overall, Hibiscus Clarifying Face Gel is designed to enhance skin clarity and texture. All we need: hibiscus flowers, leaves, demineralized water and aloe vera gel. First, wash the hibiscus flowers and leaves. For 20 hibiscus flowers, 10 hibiscus leaves, I have taken 40 ml of demineralized water. Make sure the flowers and leaves are fully immersed into the water. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes and filter it. For this Hibiscus Clarifying Face Gel, we need only the hibiscus tea. With the residues, I have already uploaded hibiscus shampoo with bioenzyme shampoo base. Click the link in the description box and in a pinned comment. For this clarifying face gel, I am using colorless aloe vera gel. Colorless aloe vera organic gel is now available in Terra Naturals. Click the link in the description for more details. Let's get started. Take required amount of hibiscus tea in a bowl. In a container, take required amount of colorless aloe vera gel. Now add the hibiscus tea little by little to the gel and mix it well. Here I am using a whisk to blend the mixture properly. Mix till the extract and the aloe vera gel blends well. You can get the professional finish if you use the whisk. If you don't have whisk, you can use spoon also. After blending the mixture, I am adding few drops of lavender essential oil. If you keep this gel in a room temperature, it will get spoiled soon. So we have to add a preservative to preserve this gel. Here I am using Germol Plus as a preservative. I am adding few drops of Germol Plus to this gel. Look at the consistency of this Hibiscus Clarifying Face Gel. The lightweight, non-greasy Hibiscus Clarifying Face Gel is ready to use. Use this Hibiscus Clarifying Face Gel as a cleanser, toner and moisturizer. Wash the face and pat dry. Take a small amount of the Hibiscus Clarifying Face Gel and give a gentle massage. Allow the gel to fully absorb into your skin. Use the gel both in the morning and evening for best results. Adjust the usage based on your skin's response and specific needs. Once give a try and get lovely and youthful skin forever. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.